Alright, so let's get started. How do we make a game again? This is so slow. Alright, let me see. Yeah, we don't need what's up. We kind of do need itch. Not this. Not this. We kind of need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Alright, so let's get started. Oh my god. How much RAM am I using? Nope, I just want to open this. Not a bad amount, but oh no, please. Computer. I'll move this over here and yeah. New project. Simple projects. Alright, so welcome. We're going to be making a video game in a week. So this won't be the last stream. So let's see. Let's get the itch. Yeah. Alright, so the game should be based around the theme, which gets revealed when the jam starts. So this would be direction. This would be ideal for a stealth game, I think. Let's see, what does this game need? Stealth. Use manual weapons. Simple shooter in a club. I did want to make this in a club, but I don't know how to make clubs. I've never been. Design pillars, stealth, use manual weapons. Middle. Death Stranding, that's the game I've been playing lately. Death Stranding 2. I mean, other games I could use. I don't know. I'll just leave it at that. Feel free to break this up. Establish the core gameplay and /or story perspective. Best case scenario is that each section drives the other. Mechanic where an ape smashes through guards that fuel the narrative of escape and survival. I'm talking about ape out. Alright. 3 years ago. I thought it was way later. I was way later as I uploaded again. Simple Stream the Club. And to stab. Okay, let me break this up down to oh my god. So we do need a stealth mechanic. This is what I want to do. I already have the first act planned out, which is the problem. I only have the first act, but I need to get these ideas down. So let's see, story, gameplay. All right, I need to have it in Obsidian, like these ideas, but I do need to shorten it. I need to shorten this down. So, club game. I did write a lot for the club game. Cutscenes, dialogue system. Shit, yeah. Yeah, so I can use this. Shit, I can copy from whatever I did before. Consists of no copyright music from NCS and other places. In the game school will state if a song is you being played with a new ID, play the song and show the song title text. Each time a new song plays, it'll display the artist, the name, the album, and the copyright holders. And for good measure, we'll include an ID to all songs being played. Yeah, so this is a lot. I did write this. Shooting mechanics. Why not try to make this game? Like, do we try it? I feel like this is gonna be a lot. 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 There are a lot of dancing animations on Mixamo. Yeah, like, check this out. Where's the twerk? We could use this. No cap. Here's the thing, it'd be best to make this game so like already this game's beyond my scope for a week. To really get this done in a week, this would not be feasible. Especially since I'm going to be doing a lot on my own. Special object needle. I mean, the best way we could probably figure this out is if we try to stimulate our creativity. So let's go for 3D and a shooter. First person. I don't necessarily want to create a horror game. We could try with this. Because like it has been a while since I made an indie game. I prefer if they have more action. I've already done a horror game. Not really a great one. Not really a good one. But it's 3D. It was a horror game. I did make a lot of things manually, but now I want to do more. Of course, every game you want to do more, but at least with this one, I want to keep working on it. I like to create like a prototype. This has to be a prototype. We could restructure this so that it becomes a prototype, where the mechanics are defined way earlier. Let's see. PSX horror game. What does this mean good though? Alright, I believe that's enough. That is enough. Let's... Yeah, like this game is way bigger for... Like this is more like for a longer term type game. Or for longer term. But... let's see. Let's open up Unreal Engine. Just try to do something, anything. Is it first person? Weapon pickups and AI opponents. All right. Let's create. From here on, we'll try to find some templates we can use. Mainly for a weapon system. First-person weapon system that we can use. Anything else, I'll see if I can create animations in Blender for the needle and whatnot, but let's see. Let's get it open. Up and running. Actually, I mean, let's at least get the system defined. What kind of system should the game have? Oh, I never saw that animation before. That's so cool. You saw the way it bounced? Oh my god, that's so fun. Okay. Okay. System. Game systems we need. First of all, weapon system. First person weapon system. Second, we should be looking for narrative system. Cutscenes by area using sequencer. The third, beyond that, let's just create this. If I were to press play, nothing happens. So yeah, first of all, let's change the camera. I know the player is a camera. Let's change. Oh shit. Alright, so that's interesting. The player doesn't have its own cam. I mean, it does, but so if I were to move, I like to see the player start. Alright, so player start, first person, blueprints. So these here I shouldn't touch. Those are things I shouldn't touch at all. Change camera settings with Unreal Engine default first person template. So yeah, first person character, yeah. A camera component. And oh shit. Oh, this is working fine. Alright. So if I were to go to perspective, okay. Well, actually, let me see. Let's increase to 75. 75, compile. So if I were to go back here, nope, that wasn't it. So it's this. 50. Is it? Would it? This is a case of 9. I don't understand why this is different. In that sense. Okay, well, obviously it's not gonna let me see anything from there. Okay. Can I actually just play through here and that won't let me? Yeah, this is so weird. Yeah, so this camera component, this should be changeable. Right, so like let's see. We have the first person mesh, we have everything, right? Let's check the capsule. I have no idea why the capsule's like, why is it like this? Oh, I can edit all these. I probably shouldn't. I probably can. I mean, let's see. I know the code's gonna be complicated as shit, but yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all this gets generated. Like per each instance, it generates all this. But we're not gonna be using this. We can't really edit that. We don't really know how. But like, yeah, why can't I? I could edit the class directly, but like these are all just so we don't have to waste our time. Like yeah, this is weird because does it generate this automatically? Okay, so if I were to go 20 and this compile and then try to run this. Oh, I see. I see. I'm being a doofus. 120. And this is exactly how it was. I think it was at 70. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay. So from here, you have a player controller. This is, I mean, what the hell? No, it's not in the player controller. It's not the player controller we actually want. It's the player input. It's not here. Characters, mannequins. I mean, we can use the shoot. Preparing shaders, preparing all that. So, let me see. Oh my god. Okay, so the camera settings do stay the same. So if I were to look at their searching, I get the weapon. This has a limited amount of ammo. I can't crouch, which I'm going to need to edit. Alright, oh, okay. Okay, so I literally can't go for any more. Okay, this eye is good so far. Yeah, we're gonna change some things. So there's not really a system in place. So, what the there's only those two enemies. Is that really a system in place? I mean, it is. The weapons do have different characteristics. If I were to play, yeah. If I were to place them, it reloads automatically. So this system we can't really use. To start off with, it's good. I mean, the AI, I can't edit the AI, can I? Yeah, so yeah, so let's change all of this. So simulated cubes, we don't really need this. Door frame, jump pad, pickup rifle. Okay, so let me see. Oh, these are not part of the world. Okay, so the blocks, which ones are these? So these are, let's delete these. These are blocks as well. Delete this. Is it getting deleted? I don't even know. I don't even know, to be honest. Blocks. Alright. Both of these do need to be deleted. I should... Okay, it's not deleting anything. What? Oh, I'm just... Oh my god. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Oh my god. I mean, I'd like to change this. I'd like to see more about how everything works. So, these cubes, I don't really need these. There's jump pads. No. These cubes I don't really want. It actually does say a BB shooter pickup. BB shooter pickup. Pickups. Okay, so you actually do see the weapon. Okay, you know what? I would like to see the AI though. So they do have spawners for each one. And there's a state tree. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this before. Alright, so am I very confused? Yes, I am. Beyond belief. It's mainly because I still don't know. Like, I would like to create like a prototype, like a base gameplay loop. And first of all, let's get rid of this level. Okay, shoot. My projects. Yeah, let's get back into this. My projects. I've already made all these. Save selected. That's not the one I really want. What I should be doing is just creating like a satisfying, like first of all, something basic. Like use sequencer. Okay, so let's strip it down to this. Let's strip it down to this where it's basically, all right, what do we need? Create first develop first person controller with systems, both systems in use, 1 by 1. Two, incorporate AI for separate tests. 3, make game. Three, design levels. I mean, it's pretty much one level that I'm gonna be making in the end. One big level. I would like to make one big level. I did have a structure for let me see, draw IO. I did have a structure for a more open club, but after seeing what other clubs are in real life, I don't think it's just gonna cut out. We're gonna need to design specifically so that we need to. Let me see. It's been months. Actually, it's last year that I worked on this again, and I don't think I have. Dot draw. All right, fantastic. Pirate Jam GD. Oh no, that's modified. I don't know why I have all these. Ma. No, ahora. No, ma, para qué. All right. Let's see now. Oh my god, I can hear myself. It's a cool feature. Let's see. I can't find it. 3, design levels. Present levels in test. Test sequencer. Design slash record slash animate create basic animations. We only have time to make the animations as basic as possible. So I'll probably record them. I can set up 2 cameras so I can set them up so that I can animate them as references in Blender, but I don't think I have much enough for polish and all that. So let's see. For now, let's create a new level. I can't work with this. I mean, let's keep this separate. Let's put this all inside. Move here. Yes, I'm absolutely sure. Yes, I'm absolutely sure. Okay, I didn't expect it to be taking this long. Yes, absolutely. That's fine. Alrighty, so what? So you have does this have? Oh my god, this literally has every. So why? All right, but damn. Not entirely satisfied. Okay, let's delete them regardless. Yes, delete. You too. Okay, for origin, it doesn't want to be deleted. All right. Bro. It doesn't want to, okay, you know what, let's restart. Let's restart this entire thing. let's restart this. My projects. Okay, let me. So whatever I did for this, I'm deleting it. Whatever I did for this, I'm deleting it. Yeah, I'm not using that. This PC. Users. Do I have a lot of other stuff I need to be doing? I do need to hand in other stuff. Of course, that's never gonna end. But like, if that's gonna be the case, then why not work on all this? Prototype. The Unreal Engine, the visual novel game, yeah, that died out. First hour. I mean, that can stay. The explosion game, that absolutely needs to stay. Let me see. What do I have here? I have a bunch of stuff. Yes, a bunch of stuff I had deleted. And give me a sec. There's another. Let's at least delete all these. $50,000. Oh my god. 50,000 items. Alright, but yeah, let's get back into it. Alright, so new project. I mean, first of all these projects are gone. Alright. So Jam Game 58 and yeah, no code. Let's start off with this. I'm pretty sure there are templates you can use for the first person character, the first person, and mod the weapon system. Because it's not a whole lot we can do in a week, so we do need to use templates wherever possible. And yeah. So all this, the landscape. Are you serious? These are completely separate. All right. Yeah, I'm deleting all this. All this, goodbye. Edit, delete. You too. Bye-bye. We're starting off from 0. What we are gonna do is let's add a simple plane. And this plane can be stretched. Can we save current level as content? Okay, it can't be modified. All right. Levels. Test map. What? What do you mean the plane got unloaded? What? Let me look it up. What does that mean? Plane unloaded. Oh. Alright, what the I see. Let's make this 100. Make this 100, yeah. And let's go to Fab. I do have to wonder, like what narrative inventory. Like, what do professional games use to save time? Common UI. Interaction. Okay, that's interesting. But we're wasting time. What we do need to find is first person controller. Alright. Who's generous enough to make it free? First person flash animations, first person movement. Unarmed sprinting animation, note system, interactable doors with key function, flash of animations, interaction system with dynamic dot, physical footstep, true first person, crouching, fully replicated, oh my god, a sliding system. We could check out the trailer.
¡Tarjeta, juez!
¡Pero que siga!
El fútbol no te cumple todos los pedidos. Nosotros sí. Pedidos ya.
this and the weapon system. I have no idea how I'm going to combine them both. Production ready FPS toolkit. Written in C++, the madman himself. Curve driven recoil, data driven attachment system. Creating a first-person aim trainer. Again, this is the game I'm most scared of making. This is the game I'm most scared of making. I know the amount of FPS weapons bundle. I know the amount of work that needs to be done to create even a prototype. Does it have to be this that we need to create? No, absolutely not. It doesn't need to be. It does need to be playable, though. Easier said than done. FPS weapon system. Super simple. Everything needs to get started is here. M4 pistol included.
Pero bueno, ¿y con quién es que tú estás hablando?
Mira, desde
Some people are actually genuinely insane for creating all these. I mean, for now, I just want to. Jesus Christ. Alright, so. Yeah. So. Yeah, how do we import everything? View and launcher, view in my library. How do we import it? That's a good question. could also look up clubs. There is a bundle, but oh my god. So yeah. Alright, how about free? Okay, what even is gonna show? That's not too bad, I'd say. Oh my god, that's over a million we don't need a million triangles. We don't need that, do we? Like, it's always fun to look through the different stuff that they have. Yeah, oh my god. Some of you are just cracked. Genuinely. Wait, so does this mean I have to... Interesting. Save, yeah. Let's save that. Now, Epic Game... Oh my god. Epic Games, please. My computer's melting as we speak. Okay, so we update them. We add them through here. Okay. Oh, where the hell is it then? Okay, well, it loaded too late. It loaded too late. It loaded too late. And it's gonna... 16 gigs of RAM just isn't it anymore. It just isn't it. Okay, oh my god, Epic Games. Epic Games, for the love of God, please. Wait, it's a project we have to create? We can't add... Oh, come on. I'm not ready. Alright, so you have to delete this a third time. I mean, a second time. By default, it's 170 megabytes for one Unreal Engine project without anything. But yeah, like super simple jam game 58 club. I mean, sure. That's gonna take, oh, no, not too long. I am now brought back to the reality of why game development is hard. Just starting is hard. This is why. Just creating little projects. It's creating little project. I can't deal with them for that long. What the heck? Okay, it's been oh my god. This is an Unreal Engine 5.5 project, but let's see. Alright, what's going, oh my god, and Unreal Engine. Alright, let me see. It generally does not want to open up or load or anything. It does not want to do anything. Okay, finally. Shit, no. Wait, shit. Okay, there we go. Like if this was any other project, then yeah. But also this is just a template, so. Unreal. Alright. Finally, now we can start. Oh. Now we can start. So this what the oh my god. What the oh my god. So what is even going what's even happening? Okay. I press some button. Alright, so I don't even know what's going on here. Settings. Cause look at this. Okay. Can I get out? Can I get out? Can I get out? Can I get out? I can't get out. Okay, let me save. Okay, can I keep trying? I can't. Oh. Okay. Okay. Game mode test. Yeah, this is difficult. This is difficult. Demo. I'm looking for the demo. I'm looking for. Attenuation save. What's going on here? What the it just calls a blueprint that just sets everything to what's even setting? Where's it set to? Alright, let's see. This does not make sense. difficult is I can't find. We can check this. HUD class. Oh, I see. So this is all useless then. So this is all useless because we literally can't adjust them to our liking. No, let's check the player at least. So cast. Here it is. This is what I need. What's going on here with this button? Continue. What's going on here? You know what? I should have like years more of experience with Unreal Engine than to go ahead and do all this. But yeah, I don't think it should hide it. That's weird, it doesn't bring in any of the settings. No, let me go back to this. UI pause. I mean, we could go back to the character. We could go back to the character, input, I want to see if I can. Yeah, that is extremely weird. That is extremely weird. So these aren't edited. We can't edit that. You could try to check the video. Oh. I see, so that's what's going on. Okay, so what's going on is that I accidentally. Does it save? Yeah, I saved it at 0 health. I mean, I died at 0 health, but the problem is I saved it, and now I literally cannot play. So, what the issue is. We could add a restart button. So, load save function is just an example of how the functions work. I can press the delete key. We could, we couldn't. It's probably best we widgets. Because I died, right? So, widget blueprint. Yeah, I guess it's here where we'd create the dev scene, the dev screen. So yeah, this, let's see. Let's create a button. And my god, this... How do you adjust this? This is fun. This is so fun.
Los hombres no hacen doomscrolling, no se mesisturban, no beben o fuman porque sean perezosos. Lo hacen porque su cerebro sobre...
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one,
Here we're gonna need to... shit. You know what? I'm gonna stop the stream here. Because I think there's some things I need to work on off screen for this to work. First, I'm going to watch the entire video to see how the save and load system actually works. Oh my god.
I'll cover how to make
Oh my god. Let's see. Image. So this entire thing is its own image. Wow. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to watch the entire video to see how the save and load function actually works. Second, we're gonna need to make our own dev screen, obligated to reset the health, reset to save the game, and to reset to save the game. And what else? What do we need to do? Essentially just that. And then we can work on other stuff. Like first of all, adjusting this system. So we need to understand how the system works. More or less, at the end of the day, we need to understand how the system works. Because as intuitive as it is kind of complex. But I don't know where I can find the save. If I even wanted to, where could I even find the save? I could find it here. Let's update it. Would it be here? Yeah, it'd be here. There we go. So we can see myself moving. Although shadows, we're gonna need to adjust that. Yeah, we're gonna need to adjust that. Okay, so that's solved. But we're going to end it off there. First of all, I do need to create UI. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. A lot of stuff just to make this functional. I want to check again. Yeah, let's... Yeah, that needs to be adjusted. you to everyone that came to the stream. I really appreciate it. I will be streaming more. Tomorrow, most likely, I'll do another stream to, like, once I understand more about the system and how to change things, I'll be looking at tutorials on Unreal Engine to just to fix everything and to learn as much as I can about blueprints as I go along. Because a lot of what I did in my previous game, for my previous game jam, I've already forgotten. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So, thank you so much. Hope you guys have a good night. And